wonderful. She's my protector and my dog. We miss her. I've been in the dark about this so much, and I really just, all I want to know is what happened. Oh, so it's all blacked out? Okay. I think it's very strange. I don't know why. I don't know what could have happened that we don't already know, but I don't know. It just seems really weird. I guess they're just covering themselves really well against any legal ramifications. That's my guess. I don't know, they must have good reason for doing this. If their lawyers are probably quite savvy about how to deal with these sorts of things. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know how these sorts of things work. She was my dog. My job as a dog owner is, when I adopted her, it's to take care of her and protect her. And she protected me and I protected her. And that was our deal. So I'm not gonna take it lying down.